see the roof here is fallen in, which is why I don't go in there at all. So the fire started over here in this corner. Now I did have a collection of RC cars. In case you didn't know, I've been climbing Nerd Mountain for some time, and I had so many hobbies and so many things that I've collected over the years. So this one, unfortunately, yeah, again, I won't be able to save this. I actually built this one myself quite a while back, and yeah, it was fun. Mostly just garage sale bits and pieces like that, but you know, so everything here is covered. The amount of heat in here, you can sort of get a sense of it from this air conditioner, which has completely melted. And you can also see that my Lego has also melted there. This is where I had all my materials for crafting. So I had stacks of foam up here and things like that, which you can see. I don't know if you can see probably, but that was actually a flat sheet of foam there. So you see the roof has also been destroyed in here, just lots of water and things like that. So in here you can see is basically just supplies for hobbying, crafting, just stuff for my workshop. So many things. Kitchen and living area, as you can see. The reason I can't really go inside is that roof has very little holding it up at the moment, and it's extremely weird and sad to see this rain coming in. Shit. So here's the rest of my Lego collection underneath all of that shit. Oh man. And the garage over there.